Grammy?
Mommy wants to this one.
I was joking too. I say because this is very nice for me too, but this for you.
Wait. This is Merry Christmas from Grammy and Papa Tom. Before Christmas package. Okay, that's which box this is. I got lucky. Some salami. Hey, Mom, we're good on the salami. Just pepperoni from now on. Salami is not a big fan here. Oh, another salami. Yay. And another salami.
Ooh.
What's that?
Pizzas.
Let me see. Show me.
Show him.
All kind of stuff.
Oh, like a candies?
Yeah.
Nice.
All kind of stuff for me. So I can eat pizza and sandwich.
Yeah.
And that.
Nice.
That is that one is like a potato.
It's like a potato?
Yeah, that sandwich and hamburger and pizza.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Mom. I'm rocking the chair. I'm sitting here rocking.
Stop looking. Oh.
What's that?
Cheese.
Oh, I'm fixing this one.
It's okay, leave it. You fix it later.
Paper? Oh, I think that's for Mommy.
Mm-hmm. What's this one?
I don't know.
This one, Granny, she made it.
What's inside there? A hat.
Oh, looks like a hat for Mommy, too. Nice.
For mommy or for Toots?
I think that's for Mommy.
I think that's for Mommy.
It's kind of big for Chupa. Look at it and see.
Yeah.
You can't get, you're not on the camera.
Ooh.
She just woke up. She don't want to be on the camera. Oh, there's a hand.
Say hi.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? Stuff for your hair? Cool. We don't have any of those. No way.
Very nice.
What's this?
I don't know. Let me see. Oh, it's a hat for Chooch.
It's kind of small.
Kind of small.
Yes.
Oh,
I need a more bigger.
yeah.
Let's see what's inside there. Whoa!
Some bracelets from Grammy again. Nice.
A toy.
A toy. What'd you get? A snowman and a penguin?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Very cute.
It's like you can put in my window.
Yeah, like you can put on the window.
Yeah, and 3 windows.
Yeah.
This Grammy, she made it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. It looks like a set, honey.
It's very nice. You know, I didn't have a hair with this one.
Yeah.
It's pink, this one.
Now I have. See?
Yeah.
Oh.
Very cute.
Ah.
You see?
Hi, baby. Don't freak out.
4 bracelets.
4 bracelets?
Yeah.
Nadi.
4.
See how you are?
What's that?
A t-shirt.
A t-shirt? Nice. Who's that for? Looks kind of small.
No, it's bigger.
That's a big one, huh? Is that for Daddy? Here, give me. Let me see.
That's for Mommy.
No, I'm pretty sure that's Daddy. That's very nice. Okay, what else is in the box?
Nice.
What you got? It's empty? Finish?
Mm-mm.
No. More stuff? Wow. I think that's for Mommy. Yep.
No, for me.
I think that's for mommy.
It's okay. She likes to wear my shoes.
Show mommy.
Daddy.
Yes. Now she got.
Oh, it's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
White and what's this?
You know what's this? What is that?
Giraffe.
Red?
It's red and white.
Yeah.
Yes.
This for you.
Yeah, but you know you want to see them.
Huh?
So you know you want to see them. Oh, that's for Angelina. I started noticing that there's a letter on the papers. Oh, leggings you put on your legs.
No, it's not leggings.
What is it? It's for your hands? Like this? Or you put it on your leg?
Should put on the hands.
Uh-huh. Nice. Finish?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell Grammy thank you.
Thank you.
Say it's very nice, the stuffs.
It's very nice to start.
Say we love you, we miss you.
I love you. I miss you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Grammy.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you. We love you and we miss you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you, Mom. Thanks. Bye.